Hi, this is Ian, and I'm showing you my H&K P30 electric gun. It's full auto, like you just saw, or there's a switch. I don't know if you can see it right here. Then that's what you switch semi and full auto with. If you're wondering what's on the tip, it's a homemade silencer. It works kind of well. I can show you a tutorial if you want to. And the thing that I don't like is how small. See, look how thin the magazine is on this. The other thing I don't like about this gun is that it's see-through. It's okay, because I really wanted an electric pistol, but I'd rather have a black one. And so, that's about it. Let's go and test shoot it. Venturing into the basement. There's my target. I know not very many kids have an airsoft gun range in their basement, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so loading it. The bad thing about this is that you have to pull the magazine out. There isn't a button to release the magazine. And she's getting rid of all the BBs that it came with. I got this from the Bass Pro Shop in the Great Lakes Crossing Mall. I'll just load a couple in there to show you how it functions. I think that the blowback is pretty cool, because right here is a gas semi-auto blowback, and it's because of the gas that makes it a blowback. That's a really nice gun. And okay, I'll get back to the electric pistol. Okay, this is semi. And then this is full auto. And this was a review of the HK P30 electric airsoft gun.